Hi, it's Mary with Premier. So there's a lot of misconceptions about oxygen treatments. Someone hears, oh, they're very anti-aging, plump up fine lines and wrinkles, and help with premature aging, and then that's what they think all oxygen treatments do. And actually, you can custom blend different things and use different products to achieve different goals. So if I use something like a solution that's already pre-mixed, this one's for brightening, this one's for building more collagen. And then we have a different way of doing things using different ampules and serums. So if I use a liquid, I just basically take off the cap, put in pour in the liquid, and then turn on the oxygen tank, and then spray on the face. And then it penetrates deep into the skin. When I mix up different serums, I'm gonna custom blend according to, do they have acne prone skin, hyperpigmentation, need anti-aging? That's when I blend the different custom serums and ampules, all medical grade, and I use a syringe that has no needle, pre-packaged and sterile. I open it up and I twist it on the bottle that I've pre-mixed, and then basically draw it up, unscrew it. Now I have to apply onto the skin without contaminating the bottles, and then I use the oxygen that is a hyperbaric oxygen tank, taking the air we breathe and purifies it, blowing the pure oxygen onto the skin. It sprays and pushes the serums deeper into the skin. So you can actually custom blend it for any skin type, rosacea, sensitive skin, sun damaged. Another great thing is it kills P. acne bacteria, so it automatically will help prevent breakouts and help clear out have a beautiful complexion. So basically, misconception is oxygen treatments are only good for one thing, when in actuality you can custom blend for so many. There's a variety. If you have more questions, just call Premier Face and Body Work or send us a text, 407-592-9422.